Yes. If you don't have any family member or anybody that is disgracing you on any social media platform, thank your God. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl, Bella. Okay, now I am here with Palava, like you all know. Today on Palava, we are talking about a sex scandal of a man. I'm putting up the picture right now, and I'll put the video of any video of this, because we cannot show the video, because the video is, all those ones.
C'est comment tu vois ça me dit maintenant?
Non, je suis venu pour une urgence là. J'ai même seulement forcé pour avoir une place dans l'avion. Nous sommes mariés depuis combien d'années à Kamba?
Ok, 6 ans.
6 ans. On a combien d'enfants?
3.
Je te dois quelque chose.
Ouais, comment tu me poses les...
Ouais, je te dois quelque chose.
Non.
Je t'ai épousé, non. Je t'ai doté, non.
Oui.
Tout ton village, et même le quartier, non. C'est toi qui diriges Tams Baby à mort. C'est toi qui diriges Lisette Fashion, Jeanne Fashion, Exotique Ilichi. Tu as combien de voitures au parking?
Ouais, tu dis quoi?
Ok.
C'est un problème.
Prends. Arrête! Tiens, non? Enlève bien tes lunettes avant de voir la vidéo là. Retire, ne fais pas de semblant avec moi. Regarde la vidéo. Tu te vois, non? Hein? T'as dit que je suis comme ça à Dubaï, en plein salle de travail, en train de vouloir crâner. Mes amis me disent que viens voir la liste des vidéos de Balthazar à Kamba. Je ne peux pas imaginer que tu connais ce gars, même dans mes rêves les plus fous. Donc, sur 400 vidéos, tu as fait 3, toi seul. Et tu lui dis qu'il te croque l'oreille. Ce que tu m'as jamais dit à moi. Je te fais quoi?
So, I'll start by telling you the profile of this guy. His name is Balthazar Egonga. He's an Equatorial Guinea person, a citizen of Equatorial Guinea. And he's on the news, on the videos, on the headlines, because of the scandal, promiscuity he was found with in his country. Okay, now, this man has successfully videoed and taped 400 sex tapes with married women, okay? With the married women. Don't forget, I'll put up this thing again. He has successfully taped 400 videos of himself having sexual dealings with people in the office, people in the government in his own country. Remind you, this guy works with something that is like EFCC in his own country. He's on the news because he was being investigated of fraud and corruption. Makandina said that he was found without anything. He is being investigated for fraud. So the authorities now had to plant camera in his office, Kamalo, to know how their money is going. So when they came back to take the camera, to find something behind the camera, do you know what they found? More than 400 videos of himself, of this Balthazar Egonga, having sexual relations with these women. Let me shock you. You know who these women are? One, the Attorney General's wife. It's just like the Chief of Staff, the Chief of Army Staff of Nigeria. Somebody is now, knocking the woman. This man is Organ Academus. Secondly, the daughter of the director of their police. That's our own Niger IG of police. Person they knocking daughter. It's not as if that he's married to the person, though people can be having their personal, Another one, his pastor's little brother's wife. The wife of the pastor. That's the pastor. The wife of the little brother. They knock this guy. His godfather's wife. Hi, Chineke. Oh God. His guard, his gate man, the gate man self, in wife no go free, he dey knack in wife too. His own bodyguard, he dey knack in wife. Hi God. 15 of his younger sister's friends, he dey knack them. His pastor's wife, will remind you initially, I said that he dey knack in the wife of the pastor, the little brother, the younger brother to the pastor, the wife, he dey knack him. He's even sleeping with the pastor's wife. Oh. Hey, so boom. The wives of their ministers, all their ministers in that country, this guy dey knack their wife. My God. Oh Lord. His own brother's wife, his own brother and wife no live, he dey too. His uncle's pregnant wife. Oh, that woman that is pregnant is the uncle's wife. So you now ask yourself, we ask ourselves, this guy that is sleeping with all these people, 400, 400. We don't know how long his tenure in that office has been. He is busy sleeping. He's busy sleeping with these women. Hey, God. So the guy just dey busy, just dey mark attendance from A to Z. From A to Z, which means if the country has 1.4 million citizens, he don't sleep with 400 people because he's busy taking one after the other. These are the ones that came out too. Remind you, the other one done by himself. This morning we saw on the blogs that one of the ladies decided to do himself. He now said, this guy will not be punished though for all these videos. We don't know, you know. Do you know, first of all, they will just sack him from that post. He will just be sacked. You know. Hey God, all the things I wrote down, himself is laughing about it. So who is the goat now? Is it the PDD or this guy? Who is the goat? People are now using him as the greatest of all time. You know, say men, all these boys, they start using this guy as the goat. Anytime this guy sees any lady in skirt, you know, say, me, come. It's me and you. It's me and you. Remind you, this guy is giving multiple personalities because he looks so innocent in his video. You get? He looks so innocent with his clear lens glasses. You will not know that this guy can do all these things. He has a beautiful family, 6 children, and his beautiful wife. I'll be putting these pictures one by one while I'm talking for you to see. So now, this guy get mind. He come on mind, sleep with the bodyguard wife. Hey, people, they try you for this life. Your own bodyguard, you come on mind, sleep with his wife. How you want to take escape? How? Maybe when he comes home, the wife will touch him and now say, no, I don't want. Obviously now. Maybe he don't busy now. See, he has 6 children. So he's busy. He don't finish in work for his house. Now, the work is now outside because they say a zinolo. Now, the work is now for outside. Everybody is now marking attendance one after the other. One after the other. Remind you, we should stop assuming that the wife is an exception. Probably. The wife obviously know that this guy is so promiscuous. Onya abe Casanova. Let's just call a spade a spade. This guy is a what? Casanova. The other time, he said that the videos were AI generated. Oga, we know what is AI generated when we see AI videos. We know people will start doing some things now, and start saying that all these things are AI generated. Is AI generated, and all of them they count census. It's like counting census. I am just curious, how was he able to convince all these people? The IG wife, the president's daughter, nobody say he's a good-looking guy, though. You know, he's a very nice-looking person. You know, let's just add that. But him being able to have 400, and he claims that he did not force any of these people, that none of these women were forced. And he placed the cameras in such a way that you will see them in the act. moving forward, their family members, people's family members in that country will be hiding their females from him, their gender of that female gender from this guy, because nobody they go scot-free. Nobody is going scot-free. When see, I don't know whether they give them money or whether they pay them, whether they pay them. I don't know, because from this list, none of this person is coming from a poor background. None of these women comes from a poor home. None of them. All of them are coming from a rich background. So you cannot tell me they have excuse for testing this guy's sausage. They chop the guy. He chop this one. And you will not tell me that most of these people don't know that this one, they say, they all know that that guy is somehow. And once he touch the person will not agree. You see that this guy is so handsome that they cannot resist him, that you cannot say no. You see how vulnerable women could be. I'm saying it. Do you see how vulnerable women can be when it comes to men with money? Women threw themselves to men in power with money for no damn reason, just for them to be attached or to be, say that I am friends with this person or I did talk to this person. They can just be doing anyhow. My gender can do anyhow when it comes to men in power and with money. You see them throwing themselves to these people. Every day, palaver, they come. Every day. You imagine these men married to these women coming online to see their wives, to see their wife being linked to this guy. Even the pregnant uncle, the pregnant wife to the uncle is now sleeping with this guy. Women know they get shame. Hi God. Women no get shame. Once they see you have power, you have money, they do like women melt like candle, or I don't even know. Every day, na palaver they come. Every day, palaver they come. They are not doing this thing in this thing. It's in that guy's office. He will come to work every day, and he's taking census one after the other of who he will be sleeping with. Hey, Chineke nna. Why African leaders they shame us? We've never seen this kind of thing in international community. Even though they have scandals, it's not on this level. This guy is now the GOAT. He don't draw the biggest card of all the empty-headed females. Because you cannot tell me that these women do not know that he's sleeping with one after the other. Every day, palaver they finish. Like I said before, if you don't have any family member that is disgracing you online or bringing you to the social media on disgrace level, you don't know what God has done for you. Until I come again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell whenever I post palaver. Because palaver, they finish. If you are not subscribed, you are missing out. Don't forget to share and share and share, because this one is amiable. Until I come again, palaver, they finish. Bye.